welcome back. It's been a minute. Some things have been going on. First of all, I want to just thank everybody that's been hanging around, sticking with me. I've been slowly gaining a few subscribers here and there, and I appreciate everybody, new, old, those who watch, those who comment, leave likes, shares, all that good stuff. Ouch. So, from late July to early August, about 3 weeks worth, went on a family trip, and that was absolutely stunning. Went to Ireland and Scotland. Came home. My wife went to Portland to visit our older son, and so I've been in a couple group builds. First one was sponsored here by Tim Nolan and Mike over at the Intake. Two great builders. Tim is an absolute beast with an airbrush or a rattle can and spray painting, and Mike actually does some really good restorations on models. Done some really nice ones. But they had a group build, or they have a group build going. Beers and burgers, and it's a red, white, and blue themed group build. So I'll leave a link in the description for both of their channels. Go check them out. Check out the group build. I believe there's still time to get into it. March. It ends in March, I believe. I'm not positive, but yeah, go check them out. But unfortunately, I'm really not even sure how I did it, but I have 3 tears in my shoulder and right arm, and so now that's limiting me to what I can actually do in a lot of things, and one of those lot of things is model building. So the model building may slow down, videos might slow down more than they have already. But what I want to do here is I want to show the final in my my entry into this group build, and the model that I used is this one. It's the Revell 1967 Corvette. I've been looking for a reason to build it. It's a good, nice model, easy build, and so in my final, I was gonna do wiring and all that stuff on it, but my arm just won't allow me to do that kind of intricate work. So anyway, without further ado, this is the build. So Mike stated that you can use, or you can paint it red, white, or blue. It didn't have to be a combination of the 3. But I wanted to do a little something different. Now, this car is the 427 Corvette, 67 Corvette, and it has that very distinctive stripe on the front, on the hood. So I went ahead and did blue, metallic blue, and a red and white stripe. Now, the interior is an off-white color. That is a scale finishes color. I don't have the color in front of me, so I couldn't tell you what it is. The dash is another scale finishes color. It's a very light blue, and the steering column is red. So I took it to the interior also. Now, the main body color that I use is this. This is Gallery's new line of water-based colors, paints. It's called Kaleido Colorworks, and this one is liquid blue. Now, it's a lot lighter in the bottle than it is on the car, but that's, I guess, because it's not mixed up really good. The paint spray is really nice. I did do a video on it, and like I said, it is spray really nice. And then there is, I think it's 2 coats of the Kaleido clear, or actually they call it varnish. It's the gloss varnish. And so it's a nice varnish. It's a nice clear. Sprays on nice, just like the paint itself. And it came out really good. So here's the underneath. Like I said, it's a basic build. I've been wanting to build the car for a while, and this was my excuse to do it. And under hood is basic. And then what I did also was I used, egads, this hood. Anyway, for detailing like the transmission, some of the engine parts, I use the gallery acrylic markers, which are another awesome product from Gallery. So, Mike, Tim, here's my group build car for you guys. I did use bare metal foil around the windows. This one was actually one of my better ones that actually came out nice. So, I'm getting a little better at it. Practice, practice, practice. So anyway, that's my build for you guys. I hope everybody has a great day. Great weekend coming up. And take care of yourselves, take care of your families, and I will see you later. Be kind. Okay, guys. Bye.